Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. We are going over another product review from the guys at Avalon King. If you've seen the past videos, they sent us out the whole lineup of their new products. What we're going over today is what they call Psycho. It's a ceramic detail spray. So, instructions are right on the bottle. Super simple. Shake it, mist it, wipe it, and make it clean. Basically, if it's getting super wet, you can see the last part there, changing surfaces frequently. Basically, all you got to do, shake this up, spray it on the car. Now keep in mind, the Pathfinder here has no sort of coating whatsoever. So yes, if your car is ceramic coated, this will boost it. So you'll get a detail, plus it'll boost the ceramic coating. But if it's not, like the Pathfinder here, this will give you the properties of a ceramic coating. It just won't last as long as a full out ceramic coating, which you can also get from these guys. It's actually on the Frontier. So if you want to see that video, you can go back and check it out. But I decided to show you on the Pathfinder here because then you can see just how well this will work on something with no extra coating. And then you can just imagine how well it'll work on something that is coated. So exactly like it says, Psycho ceramic detailing spray. We're going to shake it up, squirt down a little area, wipe it down, make sure it doesn't get wet. You want to wipe this product off, so detail the car, get a little bit of dust and grime off, and kind of be drying it at the same time. So you don't want to end up smearing the liquid from one spot to another, because that's not going to do anything. It's just making it worse, not better. And another reason I'm using the Pathfinder is because right now it hasn't been washed. It's just a little bit dusty, a little bit dirty. And if you have a lot of grime on your car, don't do it like this. Go hose it down at least. But it's a detailing spray. It doesn't have to be super clean. This one has some rock chips and stuff in it. Not the end of the world. But it's older paint. We're going to see just how well this works. You'll see the nice shine it gets once it's on. All right, so we're going to do it exactly like they say. Shake it up. And then we've got our microfiber, and do exactly like they tell you. Just a couple mists. 4 times. We'll do this side of the hood. Put this down. Now get yourself a clean microfiber and back and forth. That's all you got to do. What I recommend, kind of do, we'll say we're working on half the hood. Do your half, and you can probably see in the video it's not quite wiping off. So basically what's happening is we're spreading the product around. Flip your towel over, wet side's on top, just give it a quick buff. Just like that, and you guys won't be able to see this in the video, but just feeling the hood here, maybe you can hear it. This is like butter. Smooth as a baby's butt with this cloth now. And then of course, it is a detailing spray, so you got like little bug guts and stuff there. Put a little bit of muscle behind it. Keep in mind, these have also been baking in the sun for the last week or so. You can see just with a little bit, takes most of them off. I could hit it with a little bit more just down on the bottom. But this is exactly what this is for. If you get a little bit of dust or dirt, or even like bird droppings or anything like that, spray it on. All you gotta do, buff it around, just like I showed you right here. And maybe you guys can see that, just how shiny this stuff gets right away. Let's see if it can pick up this side compared to that side that we didn't touch. You can see the light here. Just how much shinier it is one side to the next. And again, when you feel this now, this is like brand new paint, smooth as can be. All right, now obviously with any ceramic coating or detailing product, you gotta do the water test. So this has been 5 minutes, wiped it on, or sprayed it on, wiped it off, buffed it up. Now, when you hit it with water, you can see, and again, This car has nothing on it other than this ceramic spray, and it's all beating up like you can see here in the video. So again, if you're just to come up here now and even just blow on it, you can see you basically dry the vehicle just with your breath. So again, you dump it on, she comes right off there like nothing. And now of course, if you have a leaf blower or whatever blow dryer for your car, you can blast this off easily. For those of us that don't, like myself, grab your microfiber and it's easy as just one wipe. You can see, because it's all coated, the little bit of water that's stuck on there comes off like it was never even there. And you're left with a fresh coated, not quite ceramic coated car, but you can see the detail in the paint there hopefully. And again, if you could feel this, as smooth as butter. No clay bar, no nothing. Just sprayed on, buffed on, wiped off, and you're done. And just for reference, I threw a little bit of water on the side that's not sprayed with this stuff. And you can see when you wipe this down, not only are you seeing all the water spots and stuff on there, but you're left with the smear. So it takes a lot more effort to wipe off the dust and to get it going. And again, from here over to there, it doesn't really show up in the video very well, but you can see a pretty defined line right about here that way that we haven't touched compared to this side that's done. So there you have it guys, quick review, show you how good the stuff actually works. And again, if your car's ceramic coated, you can just imagine how well this would work on something that's already coated itself. And this is ceramic detail spray. If you happen to be one of the guys that are using graphene coating, which is a newer version of a ceramic coating, a little tougher, a little better, they have also come out with this Psycho Pro. And you can see, same idea, but it's a graphene detail spray. So stay tuned for this video. I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side of the hood here. So if you want to see that, depending when you're watching this one, it may be out or it may be out in a few more days. So again, stay tuned. We're going to give this a test, but if you're watching this and you don't know which one to pick up, if you have nothing on your car, I'd say either one. Graphene's supposed to be a little better, so if you want to pick one up with uncoated vehicles, I would recommend this, but again, both will work. If you're ceramic coated, get the Psycho. If you're graphene coated, get the Psycho Pro. So there you have it guys, super easy to use. It's literally spray on, buff it, wipe it off, done. Everything's completed. They make a bunch of different stuff for the car. I've got a couple videos testing out some of their other products. So give Avalon a big thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. I'll drop the link in the description below for this product. And stay tuned for more reviews. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.